Imagine a world where cow burps power your home. Sounds bizarre, right? But here's the kicker. Methane from cow burps is a potent greenhouse gas, and scientists have found a way to harness it for clean energy. By capturing methane from cow digestion, we can reduce reliance on fossil fuels and cut emissions. This quirky innovation turns a farming byproduct into a renewable resource, proving that even the most unexpected sources can contribute to a sustainable future. So, next time you see a cow, think of the energy potential. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising stories.